Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's keep going with our analysis of the euro currency. Hopefully you had a great time on New Year's Day. From the markets, we have a couple of moments to discuss. In general, you could see that things that we talked about before the holiday actually has been completed. So we said that downward action probably will happen, as we've got a reversal session, if you remember, before the New Year's Day. And we also had the grabber, and actually have the grabber on the dollar index. And overall performance that we discussed in general also was not looking really inspiring, and it would seem that chances on downward continuation looks better than a possible upside reversal. So general picture from this point of view barely has changed. So we're still watching for possible downside breakout and completion of this 1 or 2 target. Some cluster around 1 or 150, 1 or 250. First of all, it will be probably 1 or 250, because you can see this also daily oversold. So the first touch and probably market could reach just 1.7 extension of the butterfly. On longer time frame and full time frame chart, that has happened after the pullback was, and actually this is our reversal bar. So market has shown really great downside action. Second suggestion that we have made, it's possible we could get better entry opportunity in the kind of the Gartler's triple to sell before downward action will continue, also has been completed. So that's the performance that we've got. Maybe it was not as AB equals CD, but here we start our discussion somewhere in this point. You can see market was showing some upward continuation before collapse has happened. What we have now, currently we have minor gap here. Market stands in a minor pullback right after the holidays opening. So in the current circumstances, I wouldn't consider it too deep retracement. I suggest that's more probable that will be only 103.75, because the major retracement already has happened right there. And another deep retracement currently seems, well, needless. So it does not it doesn't come from the logical overall price performance. Second is market actually retesting the same lows on the daily chart on the vehicle, so it already has been tested here, minor bounce, it's tested again. So hardly it should be some deep retracement. So we would consider this level, and maybe it's 104. So this is confidence 103.87, 103.93. This is confidence area. So these two levels should be enough probably, if everything will go well as it should be. That two levels should hold the possible pullback. On the cross market analysis, it also stands in favor of a possible challenging of these lows. So if we take a look, for example, on 10-year bonds after retracement here before the holidays, now it yields again is turning up. Well, maybe still it might be a bit deeper retracement later, but for today's session you can see that the pullback has happened here. And what is more interesting is that actually on the dollar index we have second grabber in a row right there. So we have this grabber and this one, which suggests the attempt of the just taking out of this top and probable challenge of this and possible acceleration may happen. Since lows on the daily chart are really important, so you could see that this is lows here, and actually if we take a look at the weekly chart you will see that it's even more important in the longer term. Downward breakout here might be more or less fast. So from that standpoint of view, our general strategy stands the same. So as we said last week, that if you have shorts here based on this position that we discussed, you could keep them. So now we're here. We could say the same about the existed shorts if you have it, and if you have taken position right here, for example, before the New Year's Day. For new shorts, as I already explained, these two levels we could consider. Now we do not consider any longs because we do not have any bullish directional patterns. On the daily chart, market is not at oversold, so here we also do not have any bullish patterns. From that standpoint of view, I would not have any reasons to actually search chances right now for taking a long position. That's actually our general conclusion on the euro currency. If we will be correct and market indeed will start challenging and breaking these lows, nearest target, as I said, will be somewhere around 102.50 on a daily chart. On intraday charts, it might be closest standing targets based on some minor tactical local ABCDs and so on. So actually that and towards what we have, particularly speaking about this recent action, if you take a look at it, you also could see that it also might become the butterfly. So for instance, it might be left shoulder. If market will show the bounce that we have discussed, it might be starting of the right arm, and then same acceleration might happen. So that's just final moment in the current analysis. Let's see what the progress market will show.